test rig is powered by a 1200 watt 50 amp adjustable PSU, connected to a completely custom DC to DC converter and data logger. Testing is done with an RCbenchmark thrust stand, which controls the ESC and measures all the valuable data. The ESC drives the motor, the propeller spins, and my neighbors cry for mercy. The scene is illuminated by a spotlight and captured by a camera. For a more detailed introduction, you can check the video linked in the description below. Custom scripts are ran in the RCbenchmark PC software, sending automated and repeatable test sequences to the thrust stand. Depending on the model, the thrust stand logs data such as thrust, torque, power, RPM and vibrations in real time. The DC converter also sends power data to the PC, displayed on a separate graph. Video and audio are combined with the other graphs using OBS. The layout you see during the tests looks like this. On the upper left is the footage from the motor and propeller that are tested. On the upper right is the power graph produced by the DC converter. Underneath is part of the RCbenchmark software with the test data and thrust measurements. The test procedure starts by targeting a specific thrust based on the expected all-up weight of the drone that uses the tested parts. Then data is captured in steps of 25, 50 and 75% throttle. The final script ramps throttle from 0 to 100% and back to 0. After each test run, the motor is allowed to cool down. All the tests are repeated multiple times. What you see is just a tiny bit of the whole test process. After a lot of data crunching, you get the performance charts for each motor and propeller combination. In the end of the video you will find comparison charts for thrust, current draw and efficiency. The first chart compares thrust and current draw at each throttle level, 25, 50, 75 and 100%. The second chart compares efficiency when hovering at the desired all-up weight and at throttle levels of 50, 75 and 100%. Keep in mind that static tests on the bench always draw more current. You can expect around 30% less amps in real flying conditions. Thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Bring your ideas to life with their PCB and manufacturing prototyping services, PCB production and assembly, CNC machining, metal fabrication and injection molding. They have everything you need. Register now for a $5 welcome bonus. You can find out more at the end of the video. PCBWay is the place to go for your electronics and manufacturing prototyping. Create your own PCB, order a completely finished board with their assembly service, or even let them design it for you from scratch. PCBWay also offers rapid prototyping services for manufacturing. With their CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding and 3D printing capabilities, PCBWay is a one-stop shop for your prototyping needs. Visit their website or click on the link below.